Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting power and a stable system. Charge the remote for at least 30 minutes and restart the Apple TV so pairing services are fresh. Once done, go directly to Settings, Remotes and Devices to find the remote entry. This is where you can unpair or trigger a repair. Make sure the remote is within 3-5 inches of the Apple TV and keep the room clear of other Bluetooth devices to avoid interference. You now unpair or force reset the remote so pairing starts cleanly. If Settings is accessible, select the remote entry and choose Unpair or Forget Device, then Confirm. If you cannot access Settings, perform a force reset on the remote by pressing and holding the back or menu button together with volume up for about 5 seconds until the LED blinks or the Apple TV shows a message. Once you see that feedback, release and wait a few seconds before moving to pair. You finish by pairing the freshly reset remote. Hold it 3-5 inches from the Apple TV and press and hold back or menu plus volume up until the on-screen pairing prompt appears. Follow prompts to complete pairing. If pairing fails, make sure Bluetooth is enabled, restart both devices and try again. As a last resort, test the remote with another Apple TV or check charging status. If the remote remains unresponsive, contact Apple support for hardware diagnosis. This single step often saves time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.